to New York, New York in Las Vegas. We are staying in the New York hotel for 2 nights. So let's head inside and explore the streets of New York. Inside the streets of New York, you have many restaurants and bars. You can make crepes to order, you have hot dogs, burgers, Mexican food, Asian food, bagels. We tried the breakfast deal at the Greenbergs and Sons, which is available until 11 in the morning. You can choose between 4 breakfast sandwiches and a coffee or a tea for only $10.95. I got the croissant sandwich with a coffee and it tasted really good. So we are here in front of the roller coaster which goes around the New York hotel. It is $25 for a single ride. However, if you download the My Vegas app, which is for free, you can play slots for free, collect golden coins where you can just buy a free ride for this roller coaster. Right next to the entrance of the roller coaster, you have this massive arcade. You can buy a pass, put some credits on it, and let's play some games the entire day. Welcome to New York, welcome to our crib, come in. Welcome to the Soho King room in the New York hotel with this wonderful view behind me. We are on the 3rd floor, so we have no view. It is really dark in the room, but let's show you around in this room. Starting off with this nice little seating area for my morning coffee. I really like this. Moving on, closet. You can hang some clothes, you can put your suitcase here. This is also a little storage place with a few hangers. TV, also some extra space for your luggage, which is amazing. More storage. So let's see if we have a fridge here. Nope. Don't fridge. There's no fridge. There should be a fridge here, but I guess New York hotel is not ready to bring the fridges back to the hotel rooms. Very nice, big king bed with another chair. What I think that every hotel room needs is a big mirror for a fit check. So this is absolutely amazing. Last but not least, the bathroom. It is pretty small here. Toilet here, and then you have a lot of space for your toiletry, which is nice. Towels, and then here on the other side you have the shower. On to the most important part of the room tour, which is the bed test. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, that's such a big bed. Look at this, double pillows. That's amazing. It's nice and soft, and for now it is Sunny approved. I will let you know in the final thoughts if we slept okay. The gym is located on the 3rd floor and it's open from 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. It's a pretty small gym. However, our experience from previous days is that it's not too crowded early in the morning. You have lots of options, free weights, cardio machines. The pool is open from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. Alright, we are here in a little food hall. If you go upstairs from the casino floor, you have some food, a little bar, frozen daiquiris. The Coyote Ugly bar is over there. It opens 6 p.m. every night, and we all know Coyote Ugly from the movie. From Monday till Thursday, from 2 till 5 p.m., the Fine Nine Irishmen are having a $9.99 burger and fries deal. Can I take a bite?
No.
I'm proud of you, you know that. I hope you do.
Massive parking garage. It is $20 during the week and $25 a day in the weekends. It is time to check out. Checkout time is at 11 a.m. in the morning. Our overall stay at the New York hotel was absolutely amazing. Again, we have stayed here before in the Soho King room, which are absolutely amazing rooms. Our pros during this specific stay was that we could do an early check-in. We arrived at noon and we didn't expect that we could check in already, but there was no problem. There was a room available for us. However, we well, we had no view. So the room was like pretty dark, and I would say that's a little bit of a downside of this room. It is located on the 3rd floor, so keep that in mind. If you have a lower floor, it might happen that you have like no view and that it's a little bit dark in the room. Another little downside of this hotel is location. It is almost South Strip, so keep that in mind. If you want to go to like the Bellagio or like Center Strip, it will take you some time to get there. In the end, we always love staying at the New York hotel. Let me know in the comments if you stayed here, if you liked it, or maybe you are going to stay here in the future. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye. 1 a.m. in the morning. Nee, stop. There is no view. Oh my God. Yep. All right, what I love about this is what, nee, overnieuw.